Meanwhile, not too far from the shed, Gordon was waiting for a signal to change, but little did he know that the signal was broken. Stupid signal never changed. Pastor's getting angry. Jeez, jeez, this day's off to a great start. This is gonna be a great day for me. Jeez. Suddenly, Gordon heard Murdoch's whistle. Gordon was so frightened he puffed away without knowing which way he was going, and that led him to danger. Oh no!
Everyone died. The end.
That didn't help at all.
Oh, bother, said Arthur. Just forget the signal, Arthur. Let's just go anyways. We have a deadline. And they both left. A goods train was waiting at the end of the siding, but rather unfortunately, Arthur knew nothing of this. Ah!
Everyone died. The end.
That didn't help at all.
Then Thomas saw the points to go to Gordon's line. Yay! Gordon's line, here I come. Then Thomas got on the bridge, but like Fergus said, the track was out. The bridge is out!
Everyone died. The end.
That didn't help at all.
That's it. No more Mr. Nice Engine. Ah!
Everyone died. The end.
That didn't help at all.
Thomas got to the top of the hill. He felt something funny. My brakes don't work, he said, and he rolled out of control. And at the bottom of the hill lied disaster. Arthur was carrying a fuel car, but he needed more water, and he was stuck there for the moment. Look out, said Thomas, and he waited for the worst.
Everyone died. The end.
That didn't help at all.
Finally, Gordon found his common sense, but it was too late. No, I'm gonna crash!
Everyone died. The end.
That didn't help at all.
Too later, the Fat Controller arrived.
It was those trucks, sir, said Gordon. They pushed and threw me off the bend. Gordon, it wasn't the trucks alone that did it. You had no common sense. Murdoch told me, that son of a, nonetheless, I still can't trust you, so Henry and the big green engine will do your work. Rheneas, no, don't be a hero. Ha, I got you, said Rheneas. Then, all hell broke loose.
Everyone died. The end.
That didn't help at all.
Anybody call for slow motion? I call for slow motion. Surprisingly enough, under this bridge ran the branch line. Then James came up. What in God's name happened here? Rheneas was on the ground. Oh, call the Fat Controller. I need help. I don't know. What's in for me? Shut up, James. Just go get some help. Geez, fine. So Rheneas was hauled out of the wreckage and he was transported back to his own shed. He also got a 3 weeks vacation. Lucky him. No! Oh no!
Everyone died. The end.
That didn't help at all.
Don't know. What's wrong, Arthur? Said Toad. Bum, bum, bum! Toad was so distraught that he uncoupled himself from Arthur. Goodbye, cruel world!
Have a great time.
Duck was waiting at the bottom of the hill. Who exactly am I waiting for? Said Duck. Toad rushed down the hill and smashed to the back of Duck's train.
That's justice.
Duck lurched forward over the crossing. Ow! The Fat Controller would not like this one, said Duck. Oh my God, it's Gordon! Ah! And Gordon came thundering down the track. Look out! I don't want to be locked up again. They just made it. Oh, that was close. Ah!
Everyone died. The end.
That didn't help at all.
Are you all right, Jack? I think so.
But then disaster struck.
Everyone died. The end.
That didn't help at all.
Freight was everywhere. Then a fuel tank exploded.
Everyone died. The end.
That didn't help at all.
Good gravy. Are there any really useful engines anymore? Everything was better when Ringo Starr narrated, and everything that happened was realistic and stuck to the books and die.
Everyone died. The end.
That didn't help at all.
Everyone died. The end.
That didn't help at all.
Falcon tried to call for help, but it was too late. Ah! Ah!
Everyone died. The end.
That didn't help at all.
Why does this keep happening to me?
Everyone died. The end.
That didn't help at all.
A flatbread truck awaited Percy at the end of this island.
Everyone died. The end.
That didn't help at all.
Oh dear God, you're all a bunch of idiots.
James, for God's sake, shut up and just vote.
Everyone died. The end.
That didn't help at all.
Huh. Then it happened.
Everyone died. The end.
That didn't help at all.
The Vet Controller arrived shortly. Well, he said, at least nobody was hurt.
Everyone died. The end.
That didn't help at all.
Ah! Ah, the bridge is out! Ah! No, I'm gonna crash! Ah!
Everyone died. The end.
That didn't help at all.
Ah! No! Oh no!
Everyone died.
No! It's the trash again!
The end.
That didn't help at all.
Don't know.
It's a beautiful day, and I'm just going around and around. Hey, what's that? Is that a tree?
Goodbye, cruel world.
Oh no, I'm getting too close to it. Oh no, I'm going to...
Ow! The Fat Controller, not like this one. Look out! I don't want to be locked up again.
Phew, Sniff Thomas. What a get your...
They just made it. Oh, that was close. Good gravy. Are there any really useful engines anymore? Everything was better when Ringo Starr narrated, and everything that happened was realistic and stuck to the books and
Die!
Fuck!
Ah! Ah!
Everyone died.
I'm out of here.
The end.
That didn't help at all.
Why does this keep happening to me?
Everyone died. The end.
That didn't help at all.
Everyone died. The end.